What's up guys? So today we're going to be taking the air suspension out of the 350Z and putting the coil springs back in. So we're going to go ahead and take you guys along with us, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. So first things first, you're just going to want to jack up the car and put it on some jack stands, and then you're going to go and take the factory strut bar off. There's 4 bolts, so 1, 2, 3, 4, and then they're 14 millimeters, and there's also 4 more on the other side that hold it down, and then it should just be able to come right off. And on the coilover top mount, there's these 3 bolts right over here, and then you're just going to go ahead and remove them. Just leave one on so it doesn't fall out.
Okay guys, so the easiest way to take off the coilover is to just remove this one bolt right here. Then you're going to want to take off the nut that holds your spindle to your A-arm. That way the arm can drop fully and gives you more room to actually pull the coilover out of the car. So we're going to do that right now. So we're gonna go ahead and take the bag out now. I'm just gonna go ahead and remove the lower mount and remove all the collars and spin the bag all the way off through the bottom.
Lions roaring in the morning sun, searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way. Birds chirping and I hear my name, grasping into life. Life is happy but it's so insane. We must merely make a start.
So this is what the coilover looks like when it's been all put back together and adjusted. So now we're just going to throw it back in the car.
Okay guys, so we're gonna take off the rear bags. So pretty much all we have to do is remove this nut and bolt here. As you can see, I already loosened it up. We're just gonna go ahead and pull it out, and if you can watch, the bucket will drop. And I need to undo the air line really quickly. Just pull the airbag straight out, just like that. Push the spring bucket back up because this car has true style coilovers, so there's no spring here. The spring will actually go back on the shock up here. So I can go ahead and tighten this back down, and then we're gonna go ahead and take off the coilover so we can go ahead and put the spring back on it. So to remove the coilover from the rear of the car, it's pretty simple. You just take out the 2 12mm bolts up there, and then if you look at the bottom, there's gonna be a 17mm bolt and nut that you take off from here, and the coilover should be able to come right out. And you just slide the spring on top.
So that's pretty much it. We're trying to get the car ready to go drifting maybe in the next couple months. So make sure you stay tuned for that. Subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.